Automation, powered by the advancements in artificial intelligence, is reshaping industries, redefining work, and transforming how we live. AI is no longer just a tool for efficiency. It's the driving force behind an era of innovation and progress that's altering the global landscape. To understand this profound shift, let's explore how AI and automation are working together, their impact on industries and jobs, and what we need to do to adapt to this technological revolution. AI is at the heart of automation. It's what enables machines to learn, adapt, and make decisions, turning traditional automation into intelligent systems. Unlike earlier automation, which relied on pre-programmed instructions, AI-powered systems can analyze data in real time, identify patterns, and act autonomously. This leap in capability is transforming everything from manufacturing processes to customer service experiences. One of the most visible impacts of AI-driven automation is in the job market. According to reports, automation will disrupt around 85 million jobs globally by 2025, but this isn't just about job losses. It's also about job creation. The same studies predict that 97 million new roles will emerge, particularly in areas like AI development, data analysis, and advanced robotics. This means that while some jobs will disappear, new opportunities will arise for those equipped with the right skills. Healthcare is a prime example of how AI and automation are revolutionizing industries. AI diagnostic tools now analyze patient data with unparalleled accuracy, identifying conditions like cancer and heart disease earlier than ever before. Robotic surgical systems guided by AI perform procedures with a level of precision that reduces recovery times and improves outcomes. These advancements are not only saving lives, but also reshaping the skills required in the medical field. Doctors and nurses are learning to work alongside these technologies, enhancing their expertise with AI-driven insights. Manufacturing has long been a leader in automation, but AI is taking it to new heights. Factories equipped with AI-powered robots can adjust production lines in real time, optimize resource use, and even predict maintenance needs before issues arise. This level of efficiency reduces costs and minimizes downtime, but it also shifts the workforce's focus. Jobs that once involved manual labor are evolving into roles that require managing and maintaining these advanced systems. Finance is another sector where AI is making waves. Automated systems now manage investments, detect fraudulent activities, and provide personalized financial advice. These systems rely on AI to analyze vast amounts of data and make split-second decisions, outperforming traditional methods. For consumers, this means faster, more accurate services. But for workers, it means adapting to roles that require a deep understanding of both technology and finance. Even creative industries are feeling the influence of AI. Content creation, for instance, has been revolutionized by tools that can write articles, generate music, and create art. While some fear this undermines human creativity, others see it as a way to enhance it. Artists and writers can use AI as a collaborator, expanding the boundaries of what's possible and focusing on more innovative and meaningful projects. Education and reskilling are critical in this AI-driven world. Traditional education systems must evolve to prioritize skills that complement automation. Critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence are becoming as important as technical skills. Schools and universities must integrate AI literacy into their curricula, ensuring students are prepared for a future where working alongside intelligent machines is the norm. For those already in the workforce, lifelong learning is no longer optional. It's essential. Reskilling programs that teach workers to navigate AI technologies and leverage automation tools are key to staying relevant. Governments and organizations must invest in these initiatives, providing accessible and affordable opportunities for workers to adapt. Ethical considerations also play a significant role in the rise of AI and automation. Autonomous systems, while powerful, must operate within guidelines that prioritize fairness, transparency, and accountability. Issues like algorithmic bias, data privacy, and security must be addressed to ensure these technologies benefit everyone. For example, AI hiring tools must be monitored to prevent discrimination, and safeguards must be in place to protect sensitive information from cyber threats. Governments have a crucial part to play in managing this transition. Policies that support job creation in emerging fields, provide safety nets for displaced workers, and encourage ethical AI development are essential. Investments in infrastructure, such as high-speed internet and accessible digital resources, will ensure that communities everywhere can participate in the benefits of automation. Despite its challenges, the potential of AI and automation is immense. By automating repetitive tasks, they free humans to focus on higher value activities, such as innovation, strategy, and creative pursuits. Imagine a future where mundane chores are handled by AI, giving us more time for personal growth, family, and hobbies. Businesses can operate with greater efficiency, reducing costs and delivering better services to their customers. As we move forward, collaboration between humans and machines will define this new era. AI and automation are not here to replace us, they are here to enhance what we can achieve. The question isn't whether these technologies will continue to grow. They will. The real question is how we will shape their development to ensure they serve humanity's best interests. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to like this video, share it with others who are curious about the future of technology, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into transformative innovations. Let us know in the comments. How do you think AI and automation will impact your life or industry? We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas about this exciting future. Automation and AI are not just technologies. They are tools that have the power to redefine what's possible. The future is unfolding before us, and it's up to all of us to navigate it wisely. Are you ready?